Hi, you guys. Eric Ellie here. I wanted to bring a word of strength and peace today. See, it says in the word that He gives us strength and that He also gives us peace in Psalms 29:11. But let me go a step further and submit to you that the Father is your strength and He is your peace. So don't let anyone, I encourage you not to let anyone or anything, no thought, no suggestion, no, harmful deed or word from someone keep you from putting on strength, which is Christ, and putting on that peace, which is Christ. Be blessed.